Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you hear some cartoons in the background, Saray is eating her snacks and watching her cocoa melon, of course. Today on my channel, I will be showing you guys how I make cake pops. As a lot of you guys may have seen, I posted on my Instagram story that I made some Moana themed cake pops for a friend. You are in luck because another friend asked me to make some Paw Patrol themed cake pops. So this is what you see right over here. FYI, this was my first time ever using fondant, so for all the bakers, please don't judge me. I really tried my best. I am not a baker, okay? I mean, I'm a bootleg baker, I guess, if you can say that. I went to YouTube Academy. Also, Dario's mom, aka my mother-in-law, she was the one that kind of taught me tips and tricks on how to make the perfect cake pops. Shout out to you, mama, I love you. When I first made cake pops, girl, let me tell you how much of a fail it was, okay? They had cracks in it, they kept on falling in the chocolate every time I dipped it. My chocolate was too thick. It was a nightmare. I wasted so much cake. Like, it was so sad, and I hate wasting food, guys. Like, I really do. I hate wasting food. But after seeing those cake pops, it had no chance in life, guys. Like, no chance in life. But if at first you don't succeed, pick yourself up and try again. So yes, I practiced a little more with my mother-in-law when she was making cake pops for her job. I kind of just stood around as her sous chef and just helped out, and of course learned a little bit more. And today I will be spreading that knowledge to you because I finally half-ass mastered how to make cake pops. Plus, I don't know about you guys, but I love saving a buck or two. So if you guys don't want to be spending $2 to $3 on one cake pop alone, then this is the video for you. All right, so let me stop my babbling and let me show you guys how I whipped up these cake pops. Let's get started. So what you will need to start off is some cake mix, whatever flavors you guys want. Next is fondant that I got from Smith's, but I think you can get it from your local Walmart or Target. Then some white chocolate to dip with. With this, I'm actually going to be using food coloring because when I went to Smith's, they only had white chocolate, and not gonna lie to you, I was lazy to go to other stores to try to get different colored chocolate. But you don't have to get food coloring. If you want, you can go to any store. I believe Michael's has different colors, but I just didn't feel like going to Michael's since I was already at the grocery store. So that's your other option as well. Next is the sticks. I believe we got this from Michael's. Next is frosting that you mix with the cake after you bake it. I'm using the Pillsbury Creamy Supreme white frosting. Then I have these party bags to individually wrap the cake pops with, and these little thingies to close up the bags. And then some sprinkles, however you want to decorate it. We got a bag of leftover sprinkles that we're going to be using for this particular style. Alright guys, well, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope I taught you guys a thing or two on how to make cake pops. If not, and if I have failed you, I am so sorry. There are 1,000,000,001 videos on YouTube on how to make cake pops, so if this video failed you, go on to the next one. But if it didn't fail you, and if it actually worked out, let me know, DM me, tag me, and I would love to see your guys' creation. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any other questions, just put it down on the comments below or DM me on Sarah F Baby with 3 E's. I try to reply as much as possible. Well, thank you guys for rocking with me, and until next time.